Hey everyone, welcome back to the ABYC. I'm Easton, and today we have a 2021 Mobile Suites Full House. We did a full install on it. Let's go check it out. So this customer that owns this, he is taking a trip to Alaska and he wanted as much solar as possible. So in here we have 3 really big 150 by 100 charge controllers. And as you can see, that are connected to 18 panels up on the roof. We also have this multi-plus 2. We have both 2 here, just in case they want to turn on more than one air conditioner. No problem. One air conditioner, and then the other one will supplement the power for it. We have our link system here. We have our Serbo GX, and that goes to our Touch 70. Shows you how much solar's coming in. It shows you how much AC power is being used. It shows how much DC power is being used also. We have 2 switches here. Those turn off each inverter just in case we need to maintenance anything. We regularly put that in on every install. So this Mobile Suites Full House is 45 feet long, and we were able to get 18 panels up here. That's 3,600 watts of power going to our batteries. This is the most solar panels that we've ever put on an RV at the Inverter Service Center. Not only does this have the most solar that we've ever done, there's also a PEP Wave and a Starlink that we installed up there too for the customer while we're there. What we have in this bay right here, this is our converter. And this is a 100 amp converter. And what it does is basically you can plug up to a regular 110, 120 outlet, and it'll charge the batteries up to 100 amps just off that 110 outlet if you don't have any 30 amp or 50 amp plugs available for you. This is our hatch for our battery bank. And we have 4 460 Epic batteries. That equals 1,840 amp hours of runtime. We also have our smart shunt here that allows us to monitor our batteries and make sure that we're getting all the amp hours we can out of this. Down here is the generator. There's an auto gen start inside that we installed also. It will come on when the batteries get down to 20%, and it'll cut off at 90%, or you can manually cut them off. And these batteries, they're being held up by a battery rack. The customer actually built this rack, custom built. He bought the batteries before we did our install, and he installed this. Usually we will, build a battery rack also, but this is just his craftsmanship. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been a crazy install. It's a really beefy one. I know everyone is not gonna need an install like this particular one, but this client, he's going to Alaska and he's gonna be boondocking up there for several weeks, and he doesn't wanna plug up to anything or rely on any plugs, and this is the install for him. So if you're interested in any kind of install like this, we do from Mobile Suites 45 feet all the way down to sprinters. And if you like what you see, you can always give us a call. We can find the install for you. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.